So at the same time, different.
Okay, so thank you for having me. I'm very happy to be here, but I'm very nervous. It's not. I am a historian, history of science as my research, and I'm also a musician and a music producer. And I have like an interest to see if there were any relationship with between logic and music. So we know that in the history we have like the seven liberal arts, and music is part of the quadrivium. And then I was trying to make some way to make music talk about itself, and I was trying to study logic and to see if we can make some work, and then we have like the numbers. We have like 12 notes in and we have seven a scale with seven notes. So we have, so excuse me, I'm very nervous. And we have in Portuguese we call like sustenido and bemol, and in English we call flats and sharps. So I was trying to make a way to work with this and make connections between the logical expressions and the 12 notes that we have. And then I start to play around with the logic, and I found this. I put this on a piece of paper, and then putting our P's and Q together, I got this conclusion. And that's why I need the help of everyone to develop this research and find meaningful ways to this application. So this is the major scale. We have like this, that's the same notes, the major scale and the C major scale and the A minor scale. And if you put them on this big cycle here, we got like the our Western tradition of harmony, and the other ones it is others kinds of harmonical fields. So we got 5 harmonical fields, and in the Western tradition we use like just the predominant one is just in the middle. So I thought this is a good place to start to make a new kind of approach to music theory for education and for musicalization, and maybe there's a contribution to that because using this method, it's making music talk about herself, and then we can learn more about music when we step back from the aesthetic way. So it's a way to find all the notes and all the modes from the classical way of thinking music, and we can expand this and make like find the notes and make like a better maybe some contribution to history of music. So thank you. That's it.
That's Incredible.
Yeah,
I'm
thank
excited
you.
just from hearing it. Thank you so much for sharing this. I just wanted to ask, do you see any possibility to interpret the phenomenon of this dissonance as a contradiction? Or maybe think about very consistent ways of thinking a model for music, considering that so much of modern music uses dissonance and
Yes.
blue notes. And
Yes. I think we have like a concept from like what it is consonant and dissonant. In the 12th century music, we expand this. I don't know if it is we can use this name, but we have like 4 more fields to explore. And in the 20th century, like we really explored just one. So maybe the contradictions or the stress in the harmonical field could be much worse, or much bigger. I don't know. That's why I need your help because we can put like a new approach to musical theory, and then we can explore. So then we can play it and hear it and find new possible ways to express ourselves. That's the. I think that's very beautiful.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
That one is a nice question, but I think the reply to it, in my opinion, would be inconsistency, not contradiction.
Okay.
There's a big difference.
Okay.
And that's what appears in music.
Yes.
Inconsistency.
Yes. Maybe. Thank you. Yes.
Can we actually compose music using these logical formulas?
We can compose.
Yeah.
Yes, I think so. I think we can be like if you use this chart, we can make like a musical book with 5 pages. It's gonna be like a very skinny one, but I think we can learn better or explore more things in education in music. So then you can have all the tools to compose better, like to express yourself and express your feelings and your emotions and your cultural background better. And this includes music from all around the world. Everyone that has like a base 12 math, in 12 base music.
Yes.
Could it be useful to, when you say education, could it be useful to education, youth education to children?
Yes, I think so. I think I think this can help to make a way to teach music, and we can teach music and logic and geometry and math all together, and maybe we can hear this logical relationship, and maybe it could be very cool. I don't know. Yes.
Thank you very much for the very interesting unorthodox proposal. I enjoyed it. I think it's like that was how I always loved music. I have memory. I wanted to explain that as a way of teaching the history. When you said again.
Yeah, we got like a good examples in the history of music that I think we can try to apply it in old books of music theory, because there's a relationship with geometry and there's a relationship with astronomy too. And this relationship appears, so we don't have like all of the knowledge, or we can find some knowledge of music, let's put it this way, in books from astrology, than in books from music, like music treatise. That's very interesting, because there's this underlying logic about this 12 base system in the background. So maybe it is something important for us. But we have to try.
Thank you very much.
One right here.
Presentation has, I don't know if I understand exactly. In the musical part, you have musical notes, and in the logic, you have the notes that are represented by formulas.
Yes.
But in the logical formula part, you have the notion of reduction. What that means musically?
That's a very good question, and that's why I'm asking your help. I really don't know. But maybe there's something very interesting happening in this background, in this field. We have to explore this. Thank you.
We have two more questions, please.
Can you back the slides, please? Yeah,
This one or this?
this. What does this give me?
That's the question that I was most afraid of. I don't know exactly what it means. It starts to appear that we have some kind of connection between music and audio, but I don't know what it means. It can mean that we have because we have 7 notes, and the fourth, the sharp 4, that sometimes in the past they call this the tritone, and the tritone was like an avoid note. So this one and this one completes the circle. So maybe it means we have a split circle, like we have an upper part and a bottom part, but I don't know. It's just a guess.
Yeah, but that's.
Thank you. I was just wondering if maybe do you think tabulature is suggest maybe it's like maybe some sort of intermediate.
Yes, maybe so. We can do this with this relationship with the notable angles in geometry too, because we can relate music with geometry. Plato talk about the great ear, and Pythagoras. There's a good relationship between all these areas. So maybe so.
Okay, thank you again.
Okay, thank you.